Today, it is July 20th and it is celebrated as Eid al-Adha. What is Eid al-Adha? It is BAKRID, and today is celebrated as BAKRID in Saudi countries, okay, in the Muslim countries, whereas in India, we are going to celebrate it tomorrow. So what is this BAKRID? It is an important festival celebrated by the Muslim community. So what is it celebrated for? If you go for a research, it is otherwise called as a festival of sacrifice. Yes, it is sacrifice, which was unbelievable sacrifice which was made by the prophet Ibrahim. So when we go for a background research, we came to know that like Ibrahim did not have a kid for a very long time of almost 90 years or 100 years too. Then what happened? He prayed to God for a kid, and God gave him his son Ibrahim. But when Ibrahim was about the age of 17, God wanted to test the devotion Ibrahim had on him. So what happened? God, he asked to sacrifice his only son Ibrahim. But without any further delay or even without any further second thought, Ibrahim was ready to do the sacrifice, and he went to the designated place, and he was ready to sacrifice his son. But it was only then God interrupted and he stopped him from killing his son, and he gave him another sacrifice, a lamb, instead of Ismail. So this is celebrated, this sacrifice, the devotion which he had on God is celebrated on this day. So what happens? The Muslim people, they remember, they commemorate this happening, and they celebrate Bakrid every year. It is calculated on lunar calendar. So in Saudi countries, it is celebrated on in this year it is celebrated on July 21st, whereas for us, I mean July 20th, and for us it is celebrated tomorrow, July 21st. So what happened? How do they celebrate it? Actually, these Muslim people, they go to the mosque, they do namaz on this day before the midday. That is called as a midday prayer. They offer namaz, and then it is followed by a sermon given by Imam. Afterwards, they come home, they prepare a very delicious food. Actually, this is celebrated by offering a sacrifice like a lamb, which is usually a lamb or a goat. And the meat prepared is divided into three parts, and one part is for the friends, family, and neighbors. The second part is given to for the poor and needy people, and the third part is reserved for the immediate family members. So this festival, which is mainly focused on sacrifice and sharing, is very important festival of our Muslim brothers and sisters. And later, and it also very important, it is actually considered as a zeal for these people, because they will step out in their best. All these people will wear, all people of the Muslim community, they will celebrate this festival very happily by wearing their best, being there in the best suit. So it is a very important festival for them. So what do we learn from this festival is that the sacrifice made by Ibrahim. So here in this era where we live, sacrifice is it is unseen process, which is very difficult to see. So let us remember this, and we thank him for his sacrifice, and also celebrate along with our brothers and sisters. Thank you so much.